What's going on, guys? Come with it again, back with another video. Today we're gonna cover POLKADOT, CARDANO and CHAINLINK. We're gonna cover these because in the sea of red these coins still make massive gains and outperforming the rest of the market. In this video I'm gonna cover why this is happening and what we could see for the rest of these coins in the future. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and press that like button, and it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. So let's dive right into it. The first thing I want to cover with you guys is pretty much this article. Ethereum surges over 30%, but high gas fees make Uniswap unusable, and it's pretty much the main topic in this video, is that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin at the moment and making some huge move back to that all-time high of 1400, but is now currently hovering around 1200. So yeah, $200 and we have reached a new all-time high. But with that said, is the problem with Ethereum, in my opinion. I'm a firm believer of Ethereum. I'm holding it as well, but it's becoming it's hitting some issues with its platform, and that is the gas fee spike, and it makes DeFi very unuseful. I saw here this one. I'm gonna read it out loud. All the price of Ethereum surged late Sunday. The gas fee for processing transactions spiked too, costing an average of $155 to process transaction. This also led to a great blockage of Uniswap, a popular DEX platform used for swapping tokens primarily in the DeFi ecosystem. Yeah, DeFi is just popping off this year, and with a total value of 23.3 billion is just crazy numbers. Just compare it back in November when we just had 10 billion, and even this in the beginning of the year just 1. So it just shows the massive adoption of the DeFi in general, and yeah, this is just a very nice thing to see. But back to Ethereum, is that the gas fees just to process transactions, it isn't sustainable anymore. With these prices, DeFi is becoming unusable, and almost everything is now on the Ethereum blockchain and Ethereum platform. So for DeFi to keep on growing, it has to go to different places. And that's why we just saw those huge platforms, just those 3.0 coins like POLKADOT and CARDANO and CHAINLINK popping off, because these platforms were already built for massive transactions, have a proof of stake working system, and are very attractive now for people in the DeFi space, and also these coins and platforms and projects to be built on other than Ethereum. And in the first case we saw that with POLKADOT, because the platform is performing very well, a lot of those liquidities coming off from XRP have flown into POLKADOT, and with low fees, even non-existing fees, and with a very nice a proof of stake, which a lot of investors see as some sort of dividends. But with holding DOT, you also receiving DOT because you are contributing to the blockchain, and that is why we saw bring it a little back, an 87% increase in the POLKADOT price. And just moving on to CARDANO, this tweet came out of Twitter wants to decentralize social networks, and CARDANO will help. CARDANO is almost the same story. It's keep on performing. A lot of these bigger CEOs and people with large projects, like for example this tweet of Jack Dorsey wanting to make Twitter decentralized, just shows that not everything has to be built on Ethereum and can be built on a Cardano and Polkadot and Chainlink as well. And moving on to Chainlink, Paxos makes fresh push for a DeFi market with the new Oracle integration. The Paxos stablecoin token has mainly been playing catch up since the DeFi spike in 2020. Paxos, another stablecoin, is now available on the Chainlink's Oracle network, according to the blog post shared earlier with CoinDesk. So another one, Paxos, the stablecoin, is not an Ethereum but it's moving to Chainlink. And because we all know Ethereum 2.0 comes out and also has those beautiful proof of stake systems and staking in general, and a lot of transactions, the scalability is going to increase, but we're not going to see the Ethereum 2.0 in the near future. We have to wait around, I think, a year from now on for we really make the transfer to Ethereum. And of course you can now stake Ethereum, but not many people have 32 Ethereum laying around and just pushing it in the project and see it not for another year or two. So all these other coins like Cardano, Chainlink and Polkadot have a very more interesting base start to be pushing in. And then to round this article up, this is just the price of DOT. We saw here a triangle, pushed out of it, found some support, pushed out of it again, and now testing new all-time highs again, and making some very nice pullbacks here a little bit, but found support already. And we saw that massive income of liquidity, but that's all because we see those big coins like XRP lost a lot of value due to the lawsuit, Bitcoin retracing a little bit. So all that money is flowing to other projects, and especially to the 3.0 DeFi platforms like Cardano and Polkadot. So yeah, Polkadot is holding very steadily, and for Cardano almost the same. Just making the chart a little bit more readable for you guys. Turning to the 1 day, you see just how immense Cardano is holding up to it. It's testing new all-time highs, and if we see some support on that, I think the future is going to be very bright for Cardano as well. It's a little bit of a slower project, so news is coming out very slowly, but the updates on the platform itself are very good. So it's vice versa, waiting a little bit longer but having a major update. So that's it for Cardano. And with Chainlink, yeah, you saw it the past couple of days. Also, Chainlink is holding very steadily across the blockchain, and also hitting new all-time highs, retracing a little bit after hitting it, but found support already. So those are those major things I'm looking for, but charts don't really interest me at all. I'm just very curious about news, updates on the platform, and things happening with blockchain technology in the DeFi space. So in my opinion, it is very reasonable, these three coins just popping off, and that the rest is just hovering around and even retracing. So just to give you a summary of it, DeFi is just popping off immensely the last couple of months and days, and with the lack of scalability in Ethereum and the high gas prices, people are looking as an alternative to other coins as well. and that's why we see these coins just pop off. So that's it for today guys. I hope you learned some interesting stuff. Leave a comment down below some price predictions for these coins. I'm very curious what you think of these, and push that like button and maybe even subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, and see you in a bit. Take care.